Hello, everyone, and welcome to my art and cooking channel. My name is Cynthia Maynard, and I'm so glad that you've joined me today. I love making art, I love making food, and taking care of my family. And my art is my creative outlet here. And so today we are going to be using just a quick little loosey-goosey mixed media project here of Inktense pencils and oil pastels. Use your art supplies together. They work really well. I'm working here on some Canson Graduate Mixed Media cream toned paper, and I'm just sort of making intuitive lines here. I'm not overthinking it, just using that colored pencil and then activating it with just like a number 6. Maybe it's a number 4. I can't remember. I always have it on my desk. It's got holds its point pretty well. But I think they're made by Artfly, I think is the name of that. I just got them on Amazon, but the bristles are really nice. So I activated that with water. Now with Inktense pencils, once you activate it and it dries, it will be pretty permanent. So just bear that in mind as you are activating that. As long as it's just color pencil mode, you can change things, or when it's wet, you can kind of move the pigment around. But as soon as it dries, it's pretty permanent. So, but that is an advantage in some cases, especially when you're putting other media on top and you don't want your underlayers to move. Here's my little palette here with these lovely little Art Echo colors in such a nice array of blues and peaches and lovely olivey greens and like that dark maroony sort of reddish maroon color. And then I'm going to dry there my Inktense activation there, drying it off, and then just going to layer those oil pastels on top. And I wanted this just to feel sort of loose and free, sort of twiggy and viney, sort of wildflower element. And sometimes I have a plan, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I think I have a plan and then I don't. I don't know. It's always a surprise to be me. But anyways, that's the fun of using your supplies though. And I love that like maroon color with that lavender. It's just really a nice combo. And then with those sort of autumnal colors, I know we're in June here, but I'm always looking towards fall. Let's just get past summer. But anyways, so yeah, and then bringing in that blue, and that kind of complements those other colors and gives a little bright spot as well. So I will leave links down below so you can check those out, as well as my website and so forth. And thinking about pivoting here a bit with my channel is YouTube is sort of throttling it, and I don't know why that is. I don't feel like I've done that much differently, and then maybe that's why that is. I don't know. I feel like they always want to sort of keep you on your toes, and I'm not sure why they don't just want you to create and bring the stability. there's a certain element of success and stability, but I've been doing this now for about 10 years. Actually, I think it was 2016 that I just decided to turn a camera on. I don't know what I was thinking. It was totally unplanned. But anyways, there have been many changes, of course, in our world since that time, 10 years. It's amazing in technology what we're up against. So many things, from a lot better tools to use, as well as the old AI battle that we're waging through and trying to figure out the best way forward with that as a society, and all of these things that we're trying to figure out. And I feel like, by the way, I'm going to pause here for a second on my commiserating. And sometimes I'll take a scrap piece of paper and rub the Inktense and activate it. And then you've got like a little palette to the side. So don't be afraid to do that. And if you want to turn that into liquid sort of watercolor, if you would. But anyway, so trying to think through on my channel here what some things maybe I need to do more face-to-face videos. Maybe that they would like that better, or people, I don't know. I always hide because I'm always sickly. But anyways, thinking that through, guys. If you have any comments or suggestions, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much and have a blessed day.